great job. All right, guys, here we are. Today is Saturday. And here's my son, Eric. I'm Dennis. We live in North Carolina. We moved here 3 years ago from Texas, Dallas, Texas to be exact. Yes, I'm a Cowboys fan. That's what you see here. And we also have another member of the family that I don't know if y'all met.
It's Giovanni!
And that's Joby. As you can see, he's wearing a cowboy shirt. We don't play over here. Before we move forward, take some time, click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell, leave a comment, and at the end of the video, if you like this, hit the like or dislike button. I enjoy making these videos. Little by little, I'm getting a little bit more comfortable with talking to the camera, even when nobody's around. I feel like the camera is like my imaginary friend or something. But anyways, I'll take a moment, I'll give you a moment, think about it, hit the subscribe button. All right, guys, let's get started. So today, we are going to visit a different store to look more into the parrots. I know on the last video I showed y'all a green cheek Conure, right? Something like that. Somebody told me that the gray Africans would make a great family pet as well. So we're going to go to a store. I haven't called, I don't know what they have. They might not end up having anything and it might be a bust. But we're gonna try anyways and we're gonna go see. For now, my daughter's in gymnastics and we're gonna go pick her up. Let's go. But it's raining. It's a little bit more than a drizzle, but not, a shower either. But this camera here is not waterproof. So that being said, we're gonna switch to the phone. So there we are, huh? Wider field of view, right? But there we are. Let's go. Well, while we wait here, I figured why not? My first fish tank is on his live video right now. I just asked, how do you make great videos like he does, because he really does. So we can spend some time on this live chat while we wait for my daughter to come out. And before we go to look at birds, we're going to go get some barbecue sandwiches. So I haven't gotten that comfortable yet to record those type of sessions in front of that many people. Maybe with more subscribers I'll feel confident to say yeah, I'm a YouTuber. I have so many, but make it happen, guys. Anyway, so as soon as we're on the road and we get there, then we'll continue. See you in a minute. There she is.
Today, or for someone that gave this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below below. That would be really helpful. All right, I'm gonna do a better job today, by the way, of responding to your chats. I didn't do that very well last time.
What is going on? Hello, we all came to pick you up because we love you.
Dad, they changed my music.
So you're gonna be doing a different routine?
Yes, for crab cake.
Awesome.
Show it.
They changed the music to what she wanted.
Queen City Race jumped in before the live stream.
Oh, he's gonna answer my question. This is where we come get our barbecue. The barbecue sandwiches are the best. So if you are located in the Gastonia, Charlotte, Belmont area, Smoking Joe's Mobile Diner is where you want to try these barbecue sandwiches. They are very good, and you gotta come early because it seems that last times that we've come, they're out of it by normally 4 or 5 o'clock. We're coming and there's.
Oh look, the rain stopped. We can go sit in. Oh wait, you're done.
How y'all liking them sandwiches?
Already ate mine. Finished mine.
Lillian, show us your sandwich.
No, my ketchup.
We were eating in the back of the truck, but then the rain came, so we came inside real quick to finish. All right, looks like the kids fell asleep and somebody made a mess. Anyways, so we are here at the Hendersonville pet shop. We're about to go in and we're going to check out, pretty much see what birds they have. See y'all inside. Masks have become a fashion statement now, and so might as well, right? Might as well. How about them cowboys? Look at these frogs. They got a pretty great planted and freshwater selection. At least, you know, if you want to do a planted tank, I'm sure you get some of those right here. But let's go find what we were looking for. Huh? This is an African gray right here. What's up, buddy? You want to get petted? Are you petting yourself? Oh, he wants to get petted.
Oh, he likes it.
Look, he puts the head right there so you can pet him. And then, look, listen. And then he pets himself. Like kind of telling you this is what I want. Did we find the one? He's just big already. But I mean, if we can bond with him. Look, he's petting himself.
He's so cute. Like, please. He's so weird.
This is the one that she told us about, but the one at the front was trying to bite me. Alright. Here's another African gray, I think. Yep, I see the red tail. It's sleeping. It looks like the green cheek Conure. Oh! It's trying to bite me. Oh, this is the other blue one, look. I forgot what the name of it is. Oh, look, he's trying to bite me, look. He's defending his girlfriend. I think that's a pair right there.
Wait, where is it?
Here's another blue. I have no idea what I did. No, that one is one that I know will bite your whole finger off. See? Oh, he's a baby. Hey guys. Not poke or tease our birds, and please do not open the cages. Absolutely. I hope trying to pet them doesn't make them think that we're trying to poke them. So, something about these guys right here, they just seem happy together. We come back and now he's just, I don't know, what are you doing? What are you doing, buddy?
He's like, you should buy me.
He's trying to get food. He's trying to get food. Hello, guys.
Your friend over there me traicionó.
Oh,
Can I trust you?
Is he one of those?
Yeah.
Okay, the parrot. Which room is he gonna go in? Because I don't want to do that stuff. If we do.
I don't like birds.
Eric has decided he does not want one. So we will take a family vote and then decide.
We got one vote there. Yes. Okay, we got no vote there. I want bird. Yeah, what do you prefer?
Bird suki, bird chicken. Bird chicken, rhino.
Opposite finger.
No bird.
Oh.
I got bit. I don't want a bird. I do not want to be betrayed. Look at him. He's literally just... Okay, I'm wondering if this is a real bird. He's straight up just chilling backwards.
What about the people that made the video? You put the video on the YouTube and said if you want us to get a bird or not.
He literally is trying to take out the bowl.
Yeah, what about we let the people decide? Sure? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Sure? Yeah. Sure?
We will see.
I remember when Morris was around that age with those kittens and he had slept all the time.
I mean, it tells you just the different personalities that all the birds have. This one, he asked you to pet him. And the other one made it seem like he was going to let me pet him. And then I trusted it a little too much.
He's like, get me out of here, please. I'm tired of this cage.
I just don't know anymore.
He's so cute.
The same one that got me earlier. He's just trying to stand very still so he can then just snap. I think he's trying to get your finger, that's why.
I know, but it's super funny.
Okay, leave him alone. Look at this beautiful one.
Yeah, look, but look. Look, he's gonna not get used to me. He's gonna come and get me. Yeah. Hello. Who are you? He literally hit his nose on the-
Alright, and we're out. Time to go home.
We got the parrot. But I want that one. Like, get up.
Hey guys, so the series about a bird I think has come to a conclusion. Jeanette, what is your vote?
No bird.
Eric?
I don't want to get my baby.
Lillian? Giovanni?
I want the germ shipping and the bird. Yeah.
So you're a yes. I'm gonna be a tiebreaker. I say no bird, guys.
Especially with the cats, like
Not just the
That's your
cats,
butt, Dad.
not just the cats, but seeing these birds and their personalities, and there was so many birds, so many personalities. One literally just stood there and what let me pet its paw, and then I was like, okay, I pet its head, didn't do anything. I went to his chest and I petted it for about a second or two, and all of a sudden it just snapped
Hey,
like
that's
one of
your
those
butt.
one of those praying lions that is just waiting to pounce on you. And that dude bit me.
And he says, don't tease the bird.
I wasn't teasing it, I was petting it.
Doesn't matter. You're not supposed to pet that one.
So then why were you petting the other one?
Because it likes me.
birds like that.
So I've read some about it already, and I know that some birds come with a lot of personality. I've read that, you know, sometimes they'll be super happy and very chatty. Sometimes they'll be very loud, and sometimes they're going to be upset, and you're not going to want to get close to them. A bird bite on my finger was pretty hard. I can only imagine a bird bite on one of these small children right here. They claim they want one right now, but the moment that bird goes crazy on them. That being said, guys, I appreciate you watching. like always, I appreciate, you know, that you're following along our journey here in North Carolina and just our family pretty much. Unfortunately, not at this time at least, we're not going to add a bird to our family. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. Leave a comment below, and I hope you like this video, so leave a like. It really helps. I really appreciate it. I'll see you on the next one.